everyone, it's Shana with Dancing Daisy Designs, and today I have another brand new release for you. DIY Paint has released 3 brand new cottage colors. I'm going to be making over this cute little folding patio table with one of the new colors. And as you can see right here, it's got this little thing sticking out from it. It looks like a piece had broken off, so I need to remove that. So I'm just going to cut that off with just a saw that I found handy in the garage. And then I'm going to give it a quick sand. This is like a really the wood on this is really quality, and this is a vintage piece, and so I feel like it's really worth it to take the time to fix it up, even though it has like a little part that's broken off. After I cut this off, I couldn't even tell. I'm going to be using the color Blue Hills for this project, and I just want to share that this paint is a little different from our regular clay-based DIY paint line. This paint is an all-in-one paint, which means that it has a built-in top coat. So when you open it, you do have to give it a really good stir because the pigments in the top coat will rise to the top. So stirring really well, scraping the bottom, make sure that you incorporate all of that in really well before you start painting. Alright, let's get this piece painted up. I am going to need to do more than one coat. It looks like about 2 coats on this. As you can see, it's going on really smooth and nice. This paint is really a dream to work with. I like it so much. And one of the things that's awesome about it is that it's also self-leveling. And I think that is so cool with a 2-in-1 paint because it's got the top coat in it. It's going to level out. You're going to paint your piece and you're going to be done. Another thing to note about this paint is that it dries darker, which is a little different from the clay-based paint line. So as you can see here, I've only been painting for like a couple of minutes. It's already drying, and you can see the difference here from where it's drying and where it's wet. This all-in-one paint is actually a water-based paint as well. And I've got some areas on here where this was a little gold embellishment on here, and I want to bring that back out. So I'm just taking a damp cloth and I'm just going to rub back, and I'm going to rub off the paint just to bring that back out. And as you can see, it's coming right off. I want to share with you the other new colors as well. This one is called Crockery, and it's this beautiful brown, and it's the same color as a vintage crock, which is super cool. This next color is called Americana, and this color is based on an Americana chicken egg. Beautiful. And here's a quick look at all 8 colors in this line so far, with more coming soon. So let's get back to our project. So now I'm working on the second coat, and I also want to share with you guys that this paint is all natural and it has no VOCs. So awesome. It is also rated for outdoor use, and that's one of the reasons why I'm using it on this outdoor table. It can be outside in the weather and it's going to be just fine. How cool is that? I really like how this table turned out. The color is very pretty, and I could tell by feeling it, it's nice and smooth, and I could just tell that the finish is good and durable and perfect for outdoor use. I could not be happier, and the new cottage colors really did a great job. If you want to check out this paint, I sell all the colors along with the full DIY paint line and some other lines too at dancingdaisydesigns.com, so you can find everything that you need there to update your furniture, decor, and anything else you can think of. So check that out. If you want to learn more about the cottage colors, I did another video where I show you every single color and I talk about them, and I'm going to put that video link in the description below so you can go check that out. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're not already. I do this full-time for a living, so I really appreciate any support you can give me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.